What's up, ladies? So yeah, I know you're guilty of it, because aren't we all? We never clean our makeup brushes, or at least not as often as we're supposed to. So today's video, I will be showing you guys how I effectively, easily, and thoroughly clean my makeup brushes to the gods, okay? So seriously guys, it's so important that you clean your makeup brushes if you want your makeup to apply on smoothly, evenly, and look flawless. Dirty makeup brushes are the cause for streaks in your foundation, blotchy eyeshadow, and not to mention with the backed up bacterial that builds up in the bristles, causes you to break out, have uneven texture, and uneven skin tone. So let's face it, we should be taking care of our skin and having flawless makeup by cleaning our brushes. All right, ladies, so first things first, get your dirty ass brushes, okay? So we all have them. And here I have a plethora of dirty, nasty brushes that I should be cleaning on a regular basis, but I don't, or at least on a weekly basis. So I'm gonna get a bowl of water. This is no more than about 20 ounces of water in this bowl. I'm not sure how many brushes you have, but just enough for you to submerge all your brushes in so they get a nice clean. So inside that bowl of water, we're gonna be adding Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. And this is actually the travel size, so you guys don't have to break the bank by buying the big bottle. Don't be afraid of this, because this is going to be the key ingredient to getting your bristles super clean with less work, okay? Dawn, all right? We want that platinum Dawn, all right? We want that extra duty Dawn. And don't be afraid, guys. Like I said, they clean ducks with this in the commercial, okay? So it can't be that bad for human skin. Don't listen to me, but no, I just add a little bit of this in the water because Dawn is a degreaser, so it is going to literally strip your bristles of the nasty oils and bacteria that has been sitting inside your makeup brushes. So just a little bit goes a long way, and I'm going to use one of my brushes to kind of mix all that goodness together. Alright, so after giving that a nice little whirl, I'm going to add all of my makeup brushes, including my Real Technique sponge. Sponges can go in this concoction as well. All the oils will be removed in little to no time, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and submerge all our brushes and sponges in this concoction, and I'm going to let that sit for about 2 to 5 minutes. You want to get a nice saturated soak between those bristles. Alright, so you want to go back in and make sure that you're giving your brushes a nice cleaning. So kind of, take individual brushes and make sure that you whirl it in the water. Make sure that you're kind of wringing out those oils and that makeup from those brushes. And, give each individual brush the perfect amount of attention, because those are your babies. Alright, so after we, make sure that we give each individual brush attention, we are going to next then dry off our brushes. I have a towel and I'm taking individual brushes out of the water, and as you can see, look at all that makeup and oil that is inside that bowl. Like, that is so crazy that we just neglect taking care of our brushes. Like, that goes on our skin. So ladies, I'm telling you, after watching this video, after seeing this bowl, that should be a telltale sign that, we have to make sure that we are using clean brushes when we do our makeup. I'm not even going to try to be a hypocrite. I'm going to go probably about 2 weeks without cleaning these brushes again. At least 2 weeks without cleaning these brushes again, because I just ain't got time. But no. So like I'm saying, take each individual brush out, dry it off nice and dry on a towel. So I'm going to sit all my brushes out neatly, separate, make sure I lay them out flat so they get nice ventilation and they dry evenly so I can use them without any dampness tomorrow. So guys, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna let these sit out for a good about 5 to 6 hours. I don't know, depending on how they dry. I'll come back and check up on them and see if they're dry or not, but you just want to make sure that they're fully dry. And so yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These brushes are ready for use, okay? I'm ready to be a bad bitch now, right? I don't have nasty brushes with my nasty makeup. I'm so extra. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you thought this video was helpful and you would like to see more like this. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't. I didn't mention that in the beginning of my video, which is very important. Please guys, subscribe. I'm so grateful for you guys. If you're back to my channel, guys, I love you. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys enjoy this. Everyone have a great day.